Is your toilet overflowing, constantly running, or just not flushing properly? Don't panic. Fixing a toilet cistern is a simple DIY job you can tackle yourself and save some money. Before you dive in, gather your supplies: adjustable wrench, flathead screwdriver, replacement parts, rags, bucket. Turn off the water supply to the toilet. The valve is usually located behind the toilet near the floor. Flush the toilet to get rid of any remaining water in the cistern. Now let's diagnose the problem: constantly running water. This could be a faulty fill valve that doesn't shut off properly. Weak flush. This could be a worn-out flapper, a clogged fill valve, or a buildup of minerals. Overflowing toilet. This could be a faulty flapper that doesn't seal properly, a clogged overflow tube, or a problem with the float mechanism. Once you've identified the problem, you can replace the faulty part. To replace the fill valve, use the wrench to disconnect the water supply line and the fill valve from the cistern. Unscrew the mounting nut holding the fill valve in place. Install the new fill valve by following the manufacturer's instructions. Generally, you'll screw it into place, connect the water supply line, and adjust the float arm to regulate the water level. To replace the flapper, use a screwdriver to remove the old one from the flush valve. Simply lift it out and install the new flapper, ensuring a good seal. Once you've replaced the faulty part, tighten all connections securely. Turn the water supply back on and check for leaks. Finally, flush the toilet to test the repair. If everything works properly, pat yourself on the back. You've successfully repaired your toilet cistern and saved some money. Remember, if the problem persists or you're uncomfortable tackling this repair yourself, it's always best to call a professional plumber.